I'm Colonel Schneider. I'm the new head of the German contingent here in Iraq for capacity building Iraq. I arrived a few days, almost 10 days ago here in this lovely country, and now I took over command and try to continue the work we already done. The German contingent is mainly working in three pillars. So we have the training, the mentoring, and what we call general support. And as we see behind us, this is one part of the general support. We just opened and gave to the forces here a classroom where they can continue the training when theoretical parts are necessary. And we also supported the media center, for example. So this is also our support, how we try to strengthen the common effort in fight against the Daesh. So this is the German contingent, and for the next year our plans are mainly also in the three pillars. So we continue our mentoring in, for example, in the Ministry of Peshmerga. We continue our training here with some courses, and we also are looking for some new projects where we can give general support like this. But there are at the moment no fixed plans yet. As I said, the three pillars are training, so we continue our training here in the different areas. We give the leadership courses, and for the mentoring we continue our efforts in the Ministry of Peshmerga, where we have advisors or mentors who are trying to give a little bit of advice, some help, some hints where you might improve your work. And also in the general support, the main effort for next year will be the Pesh Clinic, the medical hospital, where we are now looking forward maybe that we can open it by April. So at the moment the work is in a good progress. We put the first first things into it, like some desks and cupboards and things like that, and that we hope that by January we can put all the medical equipment into it, and then we can make a dry run, and hopefully the handover will be in April.